I don't understand what happened.
So if I come up for house, you will talk to Papa Queen. Why?
What happened?
So I tell you since then. I don't say you they deny.
Why you they talk to me then?
You they deny. I just want to hold this phone as an evidence. I want to hold this phone as an evidence.
Okay, what you come make you video me?
Yes, I go video you because I don't want you several times. You know the year.
Hey, my people, this video one I just watched too. I will put on for na make una listen to wetin happen for here. I no understand the way some men say they do. According to this video, this man he go work. As he dey come for work, his wife wey be say he newly born. That woman don fit get pikin for another man. He know say na single mother when he marry am. He come dey talk for the video say, see as house dirty, you no fit do anything. If I comot for house, you go dey talk to your baby papa, the person wey you be say you don fit born the first pikin for. So the man come dey video inside the house, come dey like dey follow the woman, dey make some problem. Like the woman tell am say no video me again, I go call ogbalegbe for you. No, my people, he really call ogbalegbe come for this issue. The one wey me dey talk for his side, okay? No say when woman newly born, he no get that power, he no get that strength. Na small thing wey go fit do, especially when it comes to baby side, na him go dey do. Even though say the woman no come do the rest, why una some men, why una no still dey help una wife? Make una still dey help. And this baby na very small baby, very small, eh? No be say don reach like 6 months, or maybe you put am for chair. No say even some baby self, even though say you put am sleep, e go wake up, e go dey cry. Na hand na you go put am. Some pikin dey like that. Na still true say some women they sabi dirty well, that one still dey. But the one wey be say me come dey talk for inside, the man come dey talk say you dey talk to your baby papa, but oga, you know say this woman na forever and ever he must talk to the papa of a pikin wey be say born for, because the wetin tie them together na that pikin wey be say born for am. Now that pikin, he must talk, even though say you, whether you say you not like am or this one the other one, because you know the time when you go in with that woman, say that woman, he must still dey talk to the papa of his daughter, because why they don't born together. Because now he make am some people, they go dey talk say I no want problem, or you know say I don't fair boy, go say no wahala, but wahala go come. Why? Because the man come dey like they jealous, say you dey talk to the man, you dey talk to the other man where you born for. If maybe something dey where be say the woman want talk, he need to talk to her. You know, come ask you say I bet if he talk to the man, you know, something like that. Because why? They get pikin. If they not get pikin, that one another different things. And so now both of them come dey like they argue for that. So now the woman can say, if me not do the work, you not go do am. Now true say the man they go work, you know. But some men make una still dey beg, they help una wife for house. If the woman not fit, the one where you go still fit do, you still do am some more. Na quarrel no dey come. Because if you leave everything for woman, say now you be the woman, may you do everything, especially when newly born. I don't know why some of our men they do like that, especially when newly born. Maybe now operation if she take born, I don't know. Maybe it's now normal, I don't know. But that strength no go dey like that. Make una dey help una wife. If the woman no fit do something, may you still try. If na 1 or 2, you still help and do. Tell am say make you not worry. The one way you feel do, may you do. Because why? Papa not there, mama not there. Maybe the woman and not fit get sister for here where be say go come do omogo for her. No be like Nigeria where be say you go there, your mama, your husband mama, or the brothers, or your every sister, they'll come they do omogo. You not go touch anything. You just dey bed, just relax. Here not be like that. As far as say dem decide you don't reach house. Now you go start to do everything. And especially when you marry that man where be say he know they even raise one hand. Now you go enter kitchen, go dey cook. Now you go dey do this one, now you go dey do the other one. Make una dey help. Make una dey help. It dey very good though. Now make marriage dey last too. Because the one way you know, the one way the woman not do, may you still do am. Not come they wait for and say, may you can't do am. So may even the plate where they take it, they not they wash. They go leave am for there. Say, now your wife go wash am. Now your house girl, not be your house girl now, not be your house girl. Now your wife, now be 50-50. Help me, I help you. You understand? Now make a marriage don't they last now. No, the last again, you just say, I don't fit again. May you carry your wahala. May you come out for this house. All problem will come burst. If you now understand each other, marriage too sweet. Now, when people don't understand, now be say both bars they day all the time. I will put this video for now. Make una still watch and be the judge of the matter. Okay? Wanna remember say this woman only born no. Because the man say the heart dirty. This one, I believe say when the woman never get belle, never not get belle, the heart's not the dirty. Now because of say the woman only born, maybe never get strength. If he still do one or two things, he go rest. Now wherever you dem want to other be. Make una still they understand. May I put the video for now. Bye bye for now.
Wetin happen? So you don't know what you they do. So if I
don't understand what happened.
So if I come up for house, you go to talk to Papa Queen. Why?
What happened?
So I tell you since then. I don't say you they deny.
Why you they talk to me there?
You they deny. I just want to hold this phone as an evidence. I want to hold this phone as an evidence.
Okay, what you come make you video me?
Yes, I go video you because I don't want you several times. You know the hear word.
Queen.
Who be this? Wetin be this?
Okay, what you come make you the video me?
Why not go video you? Why not go video
you? Talk to me small.
I go come out, go the hospital, make sure say everything they okay. Then you go begin to use me anyhow as a slave.
What that want me?
See. You see this? I believe that this your Facebook
people. Okay, what I do?
Now your Facebook people they give you mind.
Rubbish.
And thank God say I get part. Now me open this Facebook for you.
Okay, if you don't open the Facebook, what's happening?
Madam, I will disgrace you there. No.
If I say you do any rubbish,
I will disgrace you for your Facebook.
Rubbish.
Yes, because your bad character is too much.
Bad character is
See,
too much.
just what are you see her? See her.
Not me say anyone.
Shut up there. I will leave you for her every day. You.
Nonsense.
Jesus Christ.
What did I do?
So you know if you do anything for her instead of you see.
You not go do the thing.
Instead of you to do something, you go to call another man for my own matrimonial home.
You not go fit come here call police for you. Now you
call another man for my matrimonial home, Abi.
Make your hand touch me.
You call another man for my matrimonial home.
I don't call another man, I'm my baby father. You understand? Okay, I call and want to
wait, you don't say your baby father there before you meet somebody like me. Okay, is it because I take your baby as my own? Now because I take your baby as my own, Abi. Now because me I take your baby as my own. Yes. Now me that in the video. I want post your Facebook, all those people where they give you mine, all those audience where they feel say you get, where they make you misbehave, they do anyhow. I'm posting you there right now. I post you there right now. I will post you for there because you don't too much. Yes, you don't too much. I will post you for that Facebook because just see her where woman dey. Just see her where woman dey every blessed day, every day, and they walk in my enemy. Just see her where woman say. Just see her where woman say.
If you don't let you stay, you'll get out.
Man, get out from my own house.
Get out.
My own house.
Get out.
Man, get out from my own house.
Rubbish.
Jesus Christ.
You don't fear. You gotta carry. Now me, now you the video.
I go video you.
You the video me. Now you try and post that. If I don't call police for you,
I go post this thing. I go post that. Facebook. Most of the time that access to it. I will post it.
Now you won't put yourself on
I will post this.
You won't put yourself on public.
Yes,
because you know why. And you born.
No, because I cannot.
Okay, what did I do? You can't talk to my baby
because
father.
you see me to be a useless somebody. That's why you act the way you are acting. I cannot be at home as a man. Go fight delivery.
Okay, you know what? Because you don't do video.
Then still,
okay, because I have social media. Now make you go and do video.
Oh my God, Jesus Christ! See, I know you blame you. I not blame you. Now the way you see me, you take my goodness for weakness. That is why they treat me this way.
Me and you go get popular.
You are
not the video. Me carry that video come.
Madam, I go video you, madam.
Come for here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come for here. Because this one waiting. You go see.